This is 8th standard maths. Chapter name is Algebraical Expression and Identity. That exercise 9.5, 6th main. Using identity, evaluate. 71 square. First question is over. In that, second question is over. They were also completed. Now we are in fourth one. 998 square. By using formula, we have to simplify or evaluate this. Now here we have to find the square of this number. Square of means 998 into 998. After multiplying 998, what is the answer we have to find? But by using formula or identity, we have to solve this. So here we can convert this into 1000 minus 2. 1000 minus 2 or 990 plus 8. Any one method we can try. 990 plus 8 means a plus b whole square. 1000, if we are using 1000 minus 2, if the numbers are in a zero form means easy for calculation. Okay, so 1000 minus 2 means here we are using a minus b whole square formula. So instead of writing 998, we can write 1000 minus 2. So which formula we can try here? Your formula is a minus b whole square equal a square minus 2ab plus b square. Identity is a minus b whole square equal a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so here we are using a minus b whole square identity. Formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a value is 1000 and b value is 2. So in the place of a we have to write 1000. In the place of b we have to write 2. Now let's check, solve the sum. So here a square means we have to write 1000 whole square minus 2ab means 2 into a value is 1000 into b value is 2 plus b square means 2 square. Now 1000 whole square means we have to multiply 1000 2 times, 1000 into 1000. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 zeros means add 3 times again. So this is 60. 1000 into 1000 is 10 lakh. Okay, now minus 2 into 1000 into 2, this we have to multiply. Okay, 1000 whole square means 1000 into 1000. 1000 into 1000 is 6 times zeros. Okay, 3 times zeros means 2 square, no? So 6 times 0. Multiplying, you get the same answer. 1000 into 1000 is 10 lakh. 6 times 0 minus. Now we have to multiply till here. 2 into 1000 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 1000 is 4000. Plus 2 square means 2 into 2. Multiplying 2 in 2 times. 2 2s are 4. Now here 10 lakh minus 4000, that we have to minus in. 10 lakh minus 4000 means 0 0 0 here. Here 0 minus 4 we can't, borrow 1 from here. 10 again 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Now here 9, here also 9, and add 4 to the that. So answer is 9,96,000 and 9,96,004. This is the answer. Now fifth sum is 5.2 whole square. 5.2 square means here 5.2 into 5.2 multiplying 2 times. By using identity we have to solve this. By using identity means here we can convert 5.2 into 5 plus 0.2. So 5 plus 0.2 means 5.2 only, one and the same. Now here it look like a plus b whole square identity. Now we have to apply a plus b whole square formula here. Here a plus b whole square equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. This formula we are using here. So value of a value is 5 and b value is 0.2. That we written here. A value is 5, b value is 0.2. So now we have to apply the value here. A square means how much? A square means 5 square plus 2ab means 2 into a value is 5 into b value is 0.2 plus b square means 0.2 whole square. A square means 5 square plus 2ab means 2 into a value is 5 into b value is 0.2 plus b square means 0.2 whole square. Now 5 square means 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25 plus. Now we have to multiply 2 into 5 into 0.2. Here 2 into 5 into 0.2 we have to multiply. 2 into 5, 2 5 is 10. 10 into 0.2. 10 into 0.2. So or 0.2 into 10. After multiplication 0 2s are 0, 0 0s are 0, 1 2s are 2, 1 0s are 0. So answer is 0 2.0. After 1 digit point, so in answer after 1 digit point. Here we can write 2.0 or 2.0 or 2 are one and the same. Plus 0.2 whole square means 0.2 into 0.2 we have to multiply 2 times. 0.2 into 0.2 means answer is 004. 004. So after one digit point, after 1 plus 1 means after 2 digit point to the answer after 2 digit point, 1 to after 2 digit point. So answer is 0.04. Now we have to add 25 plus 2.0 plus 0.04. 25 plus 2.0 plus 0.04. The total is 25, 2.0, 0.04. Total is 27.04. So this is ones, tens place, and this is not ones and tens place. This is tens and 100. This okay. This is ones, tens, and tens, 100 like this. Okay, after point. So arrange properly numbers and decimal number. Answer is 27.04. Here, sixth question, 297 into 303. Here we have to use identity to multiply. We can multiply directly, but by using identity we have to evaluate or solve the sum. So here we can convert this 297 into 300 minus 3. 300 minus 3 is 297. Here also 300. Both the side we are using 300. Okay, same number. 300 minus 3 and here 300 plus 3. Okay, 300 minus 3 is 297. 300 plus 3 is 303. A values and B values are same. Okay, then it look like A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B equal A square minus B square, or A plus B into A minus B equal A square minus B square. Now we have to use this identity here. A value is 300, B value is 3. So what is the A value? A value is 300. B value is 3 now. So A square means what is the value? 300. O square minus B value, B square means 3 square. Now multiply 300 in 2 times. 300 into 300. So 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 3 3s are 9. This is direct multiplication. You multiply and check, you get the same answer. We are multiplying directly because the last digit are 0 form. You can multiply easy directly. Okay, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 zeros and 3 3s are 9. So 90,000 minus 3 square means 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9. Now we have to subtract this number. So subtract the number, children. 90,000 minus 9. So here 0 minus 9 we can't borrow 1 from here. Here 10. So 1 to here and borrow 1 to here and from here to here 1. Now 10 minus 9 is 1. Now here 10. It was 10. He gave 1 to his friend. Now 9. Now here also. Now here 9. Here also 9. Here also 9. Because he gave 1 to his friends. So 9. 9. Now 9 is become now 8. 89,991. You can take screenshot here, children. Now next question is 7th one. 78 into 82. 78 into 82. So which number we can? 78 means 80 minus 2 is 78, or here 80 plus 2. So 80, 80 A value and B value 2 and 2. So here we can use 80 minus 2 is 78. Okay, 80 minus 2 is 78 into 82 means 80 plus 2. Okay, 80 minus 2 means 78 and 80 plus 2 means 82. So it means A value is 80, B value is 2. Here we can use A minus B into A plus B equal A square minus B square identity. It means A plus B into A minus B. Both are one and the same. A plus B into A minus B equal A square minus B square identity formula. So A minus B into A plus B or A plus B into A minus B square, A square minus B square. It means same letters or same number, different symbol means we can multiply directly. But same number, here also plus means we can't multiply directly. Same letter or same numbers, different symbol. If here minus means here plus, if plus means minus means we can multiply directly. A into A is A square, plus into minus is minus, B into B is B square. If same letter, same symbol means we can't multiply directly. Using by multiplication of binomial rule, we have to multiply. Now here we can apply here A plus B into A minus B equal A square minus B square formula. A value is 80, okay, B value is 2. A square means 80 whole square minus B square means 2 square. Now 80 square means 80 into 80 we have to multiply 2 zeros. 8 8s are 64. Answer is 6400 minus 2 square means 2 2s are 4. Now we have to multiply 6400 minus 4. After subtracting 6400 minus 4 is 0 minus 4 can't, here also 0 we can't subtract, so borrow 1 from 4, so here 10, so borrow 1 to here. Now this become 9, okay. 10 minus 4 is 6 and here 9 and 4 is now 3 we have to write and 6. Answer is 6396. Next, 8th one is 8.9 whole square. By using identity, we have to solve the sum. 8.9 whole square, we can convert this into 9 minus 0.1. 9 minus 0.1 whole square, or 8.0 plus 0.9, or 8 plus 0.9 also we can try. So there we are using A plus B whole square formula. Then here 8 minus 9 minus 0.1 means here we have to use A minus B whole square identity. So here 9 minus 0.1 whole square, 8.9 we can write 9 minus 0.1. So here we are using A minus B whole square formula. Formula is A square minus 2AB plus B square. This is the identity, children. So here now A value is 9 and B value is 0.1 that we written here. Now apply the values here. A square means we have to write 9 square minus 2AB means 2 into 9 into 0.1. 2 into 9 into 0.1 plus B square means 0.1 whole square. Now 9 square means 9 9s are 81 minus, now we have to multiply 2 into, till here we have to multiply 2 into 9 into 0.1 we have to multiply. 2 9s are 18. 18 into 0.1. 18 into 0 point means we get 018. After one digit point means an answer after one digit point. So answer is 1 point. After multiplication we get 1.8. Okay, 1.8 plus 0.1 whole square means we have to multiply 0.1 in 2 times. 0.1 into 0.1. 1 1s are 1, 1 0s are 0, 0 1s are 0, 0 0s are 0. Answer is 0 0 1. So after one digit point, after 1 plus 1 means after 2 digit point. To the answer we have to write after 2 digit point. So answer is 0.01. Now we have to minus 81 minus 1.8 plus 0.01. So here 81 minus 1.8 we have to minus 0.0, convert this into decimal number and minus 1.8. 0 minus 8 we can't, borrow 1 from here, so 10 minus 8 is 2. Now here 0. Okay, 0 minus 1 we can't subtract, borrow 1 here, so 10 minus 1 means 9. Now here 7, 79.2. 79.2. To that 79.2 we have to add 0.01. So 1, 2.97. Total is 79.21. Answer is 79.21.